Now let's continue under our topic, which is called quadratic equation. Now today we'll be talking about completing the square method. Now let's go straight. Now if they say solve the quadratic equation, x square plus 6s plus 5, 6s plus 5 equals to 0. If you're asked to solve this, you understand, using completing the square method. Now it's very simple. The first thing where you could do is, I said, look at this place. What is here is 1, but it is invisible. Now you will divide through. You will divide what? Through by 1. Divide through by 1 because now 1 there. So divide through by 1. Divide through by 1. By 1. Unlike factorization method, we say you will just multiply the 1 with the here, multiply by the constant here, which is 5. This one is completing the square method. You divide through by what you see here, which is 1. Divide everything by 1. You understand? This one is what? S squared. 6s divided by 1 will give you 6s back. Plus waiting. Plus 5 equals to what? 0 divided by 1 and 0. My God, now 0. Anything divided 0 divided by 1 and 0. Anything divided by 1 and that number. So now you will now move to this constant. This one. Move it to the other side. If this one they go the other side, you go turn waiting minus 5. If plus 5 they go the other side, you go turn waiting and minus 5. So s squared plus 6s equals to this one go the other side minus 5. You understand? You know what? Just the following as they do. Now the next step is you go divide the coefficient of s by 2. Then you will square it and add it to both sides. No be grammar they talk. What is the coefficient of s here? This is the coefficient of s. You go divide this 6s, divide it by 2. Then you will now square it. Then you now add it to what? Add it to both sides. You go add them here, add them here. You understand? Make I show you how everything will. Waiting the coefficient of s with the here. Now 6. Just write down for here. 6 divided by waiting 2. Abi? So waiting with that one will give you 3. Then what? Come square it. You understand? You square it. So they say when you add this issue with the here, add them to both what? To both sides. We come turn waiting s squared plus what? Plus 6s plus, they say make you add the coefficient of s. Add coefficient of s, square it and add it to both sides. You can turn to what? You can turn to 6 divided by 2. You go square. That's the formula. You understand? Minus 5 plus 6 divided by waiting 2. Square. So now the grammar be that. You understand? So waiting this one will go turn to. So I will turn to s squared plus 6s plus this one 6 divided by 2 now 3 square. Now waiting will give you what? 9. 3 square now 9. It means 3 times 3. You understand? So we will turn minus 5 plus 9. Abi? You know what now? So we will come turn to waiting. So now what you go do for here? You go factorize this one. But don't disturb yourself. Don't go far. Just write your s. Come write, carry one s for here. Put on here. Write s. Abi? Come put this plus with the here. Put on here. You understand? You see this thing you are put for corner here. Come add and put on here. Come do it. Come close bracket and open bracket. Then come square. You go square. Now, if you don't say, if it's sure for you, do this thing. S plus 3. Let's say square. S plus 3. Multiply. You go get waiting the here. Multiply this thing with the here. Multiply them together. S plus 3 times s plus 3. You will get this value with the here. Everything with the here. And you go get. So I give you shortcuts. Now the shortcut will you go use with that. So what you go come do now? You come turn equals to Abi equals to minus 5 plus 9. What be that? Suppose I know that one. Now 4. Abi. So now the next step you come be say you go divide through by the square root of both sides. If you like divide through, if you like say now multiply through. Now be say shall do square root of both sides. This one square root s plus 3. Abi. Abi now wait now the thing I write now. Abi. Square root of 4. Abi. And the thing we let us do with that. So what you come do? These two go cross this square root with the here. Will be magical. That's so it be. These two go cross the square root, right? Don't forget for maths, this square root, it means 1 over 2. Abi 2 times, it means it's for square root. For maths, square root means 1 over 2. So this 2 times 1 over 2. Cross am now, 2 go cancel 2, come remain 1. So now nothing will do for here that these two go cross the square root. Abi come turn s plus 3. Nothing dey on top again. Equals to, wetin be the square root of 4? No be 2 alone. You go add plus or minus 2. The reason like mathematician now. You understand? No be don't just tell me say na 2. Plus or minus 2. So wetin you come do? It means say s can be equals to plus 2. This one will go the other side. Okay, before we jump down, we'll write plus or minus 2. Abi this plus 3 make it come the other side. Turn to wetin? Go turn wetin? Minus 3. Abi go turn minus 3. So wetin I dey try talk now? Come be say s equals to plus 2 minus 3, or abi or s equal to minus 2 minus 3. I go lie for you. Now so now I say plus or minus 2. I go put your plus 2 first, minus 3. The remaining minus 2, come put am here. So now the thing. And so be that. So you go on turn to s equals to plus 2 minus 3. Now minus 1 now. The whole person 3 naira, you can't get 2 naira, don't be minus 1. You see the whole that person now. Or s equals to minus 2 minus 3. Now minus 5 now. I go lie for you. If the whole person 2 naira, if the whole other person 3 naira. How many debts you can't get? Maybe 5. Now minus 5. So your s will come turn waiting. S can be equals to minus 1, or s can be equals to minus 5. And your answer be that. So no disturb yourself. Bye bye.